You're the CIO of a hospitality company and you have just launched a new product, but instead of generating millions in revenue, it is a total failure. It is full of bugs, UX issues, and guests are not happy using it. Sounds familiar? If it does, welcome. You are not the first one to experience a poor delivery. Hi, I'm Pablo, CEO at Zerf. We are tech partners of hospitality companies that need to create world-class digital products. But here's the sad truth. Most tech initiatives fail because they invest too much time reinventing the wheel. In this short video, I will save you millions of dollars just teaching you how to do a proper research before starting a new project. Let's take mobile applications, for example. We have been building a lot of mobile applications in the last few months, so I'm very clear about this example in particular. Most of the people start thinking and ideating the whole project from scratch instead of leveraging from previous learnings, from industry benchmarks, and from the know-how that is already there. And be careful, I'm not telling you to copy everything that's out there. I'm just saying leveraging from that. How do we know what works while building an app? Well, basically because we spend thousands of hours building apps and doing research about them. We build several tools in order to save you money and time. The very first pillar we use while building new mobile applications is what we call the ultimate travel and hospitality app benchmark. It is free to download. I will leave the link in the description. In it, you will find the leading hospitality and travel apps across 5 categories: all-inclusive and resorts, theme parks, cruises, hotels, and OTAs. We compare the critical features like guest login, in-app booking, loyalty points management, and more. This will give you a clear side-by-side view of how the best in the industry are building digital experiences and where your product can stand out. The benchmark is just one tool in our kit. At Zerf, we start every project doing a deep research about your target audience and the pain points of your particular users. The benchmark helps us understand how the problems are currently being solved in the industry and what users expect to find in our applications. But going back to the problem, most tech initiatives fail because leaders and teams cannot leverage on previous learnings and industry standards to build a successful solution. You don't have to come up with an amazing new and never seen feature. You have just to fulfill user expectations and surprise them with your particular value proposition. So, how to avoid losing millions of dollars while developing a new project? Well, first of all, it's very important to set the goals clearly and communicate them across all the stakeholders. In the third place, you have to invest a lot of time upfront doing research and investigating the solutions that are out there in the industry so you can save your team a lot of time and effort while building the new project. In the fourth place, you have to scope the project very accurate way. There are going to be thousands of great ideas after you have defined your goals. If you can keep yourself and your team focused, you will end up spending a lot of time in useless features. And finally, in the fifth place, you will need to test fast. Try to test in the quickest way possible so you can gather your users' feedback. If you follow these 5 simple steps, you will end up building an amazing agile team that meets deadlines and delivers quality and value to the whole company. You won't worry again about entering a C-suite meeting and not reaching expectations. If you are not sure where to start or you don't have time right now, it's completely normal. There are a lot of things to fix. There are a lot of problems happening at the same time, and operations never rest. That's why at Zerf, we help hospitality leaders to build world-class products that perform. If this resonates with you, feel free to schedule a call with the link that is in the description.